Good morning to another edition of pre-market analysis. I hope yesterday's market run made a lot of us happy because of the capital inflow that came in just as we discussed yesterday when we were talking about investors re-strategizing for the fourth quarter of the year and rebalancing their portfolio. And as we can see that yesterday, that there were lots of liquidity inflow into the market, and it was bullish also yesterday. And today we are going to be looking at the analysis of everything that happened yesterday and what we are supposed to expect in today's market. This is a disclaimer that this session, this video is not a financial or trading advice. Please do your due diligence before investing in any company's stock on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. So let's dive into yesterday's market close, which was Thursday, 2nd of October. So the Nigerian exchange opened October on a strong note as the all-share index gained 332.92 points. That is, it increased by 0.23% to close at 142,710.48 points. The number of deals rose by 16.74%, indicating increased participation across institutional and retail investors. Most notably, trading volume surged by 402%, which is a huge jump from what we had or what we experienced on Tuesday. So 6.23 billion units, while market turnover jumped by 82.65% to 54.45 billion naira, reflecting heightened activities in high capitalization and high capital and heavily traded stocks. This performance signals renewed market momentum, with liquidity flowing into key sectors and investor sentiment tilting positive. The sharp rise in both volume and turnover points to a session dominated by block trades and large transactions, likely in blue chip and financial sector equities. So if we look at the snapshots for yesterday, we can see the number of deals increased from 27,977 deals to 32,664 deals. And we can see the all-share index, which closed at 142,710.48 yesterday, indicating a 0.23% jump from what we had on Tuesday. And the volume traded also surged up by 402.46% to close at 6.23 billion, while the market turnover also rose from 29.8 billion to 54.5 billion, indicating an 82.65% upward trend. We can see that's really bullish for yesterday's market session, and I hope we all had a good run with it. The top gainers for yesterday, we have PZ, which closed at 37 naira 95 kobo, indicating a 10% change. And second, we have Etana. Etana has been on top gainers for the last about 3 days now. Now it closed at 37 naira 5 kobo. I think on Tuesday it was at 33 naira or thereabouts. So Etana has been been on an upward trend. So Etana indicated a 9.94% change yesterday. Number 3 on the list is Champion. Champion closed at 15 naira 1 kobo. And Tantalizer closed at 2 naira 49 kobo. And lastly, on the top gainers list is ICO Insurance, which closed at 3 naira 69 kobo, closing indicating a 5.43% upward movement. And the top losers for yesterday also, the top losers that we have RT Briscoe. We have RT Briscoe as number one. As number one, close at 3 naira 37 kobo, indicating a 9.89 change. Thomas Wyatt closed at 3 naira 58 kobo, indicating a 9.82 percent loss. Sovereign Insurance closed at 2 naira 72 kobo, indicating a 9.33% loss. We also have Intergenes, which closed at 3 naira 8 kobo. 3 naira 8 kobo, that's IGI, indicating a 7.78% loss. And we have Beggar, this is Beggar Paints, which closed at 36.2. That's 36 naira 2 kobo, indicating a 7.18% loss for yesterday. What do we expect? Today was the expected market performance for today. The NGX All Share Index advanced to 142,979 points on Thursday, up 0.19% from the prior day, sustaining a bullish start to October. Year-to-date returns remain robust at approximately 38 to 39%, underpinned by inflows, positive earnings, and accumulative policy. Market breadth is positive, with more gainers than losers, signaling persistent buying interest. That is, currently we are experiencing a bullish movement on the market, on the stock market. Our sectoral performance is for consumer goods and energy. As of yesterday, the consumer goods and energy side, where we have PZ Cousins, Etana, and Champion Breweries leading the gains for yesterday, showing continued momentum in consumer and oil-related stocks. Financials and insurance, mixed performance, with some insurance and second-tier banks retracting after earlier rallies. As you know, we are still seeing some investors taking off profit from those sectors. While industrial goods remain stable, investors rotate into large caps and ahead of possible Q3 results, as we are still expecting to see some financial figures from that sector of the market, most especially seeing those who will be declaring dividends and all that, which will also influence investor sentiment. So pre-open signals and risk positive signals persist with inflows and bullish momentum, but recent rallies raise the risk of profit taking in winners or overbought sectors. That's also one of the reasons why I would say make sure to do your research and your due diligence before taking up on any investment in this stock. Recent reforms, earnings upgrades, and stable policy support sustained upsides, yet market breadth could narrow if investors book profit into resistance. Headwinds include the risk of sector-specific corrections, earnings disappointment, and local economic news affecting investor sentiment. The overall outlook for today's market, the general outlook is modestly positive, with bulls still indicating direction, but caution are warranted at higher level due to profit taking and periodic rotation, especially in financial and mid-cap stocks. Investors should watch for tactical sector rotation and possible post-rally consolidation while positioning for around Q3 corporate releases. Policy news and value opportunities in lagging industries. Defensive position and selective buying in large cap consumer, industrial, and resilient dividend payers are likely to outperform in case of any near-term volatility, as we have reached the end of the year, which is the last quarter of the year. So lots of investors will have to also reorganize and restructure their portfolio ahead for a better dividend yield in 2026. Thank you very much for today's session. Join me tomorrow at the same time in the morning for another daily edition of pre-market analysis. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to follow up with another release tomorrow morning. Do your research, do your due diligence as you take up your stocks and trade for today. Thank you and have a wonderful day and weekend also. See you.